Welcome to 4D Magazine's weight machine workout. Today we're going to do a full body workout using our wonderful weight machine here. The first thing we're going to do is work on our biceps. So we've attached the rope to the bottom half of the weight machine. We're going to stand up and just using our bicep muscles, we're going to pull the string up and out and let it right back down. Like before, we want to make sure we keep our elbows in the same place, but don't dig them into your hip bones. This is an easy thing people try to do when they strain. Leave your arms out to the side. Use just your ab muscles to lift the rope all the way up. Once you've reached muscle fatigue, you can go ahead and lower the weight. We're going to go on to back now. We're going to switch out our equipment piece. And we're going to use our triangle. You can go ahead and hook that on. Go ahead and straighten your legs. If you need to adjust the weight because you're stronger or less strong with your back, you can. Go ahead and grab on. This will be something like a rowing machine. Just go ahead and use your back muscles as if you're touching your shoulder blades. And continue that again until you reach muscle fatigue. Make sure you keep your back straightened. It's not an actual rowing machine. You're not trying to heave ho. You want to keep it straight and just use your back muscles. Once we've done back and bi, we're going to move on to triceps and chest. We'll move this out of the way. And for the triceps, we're going to use the rope, but we're going to use it up on the top level. You're going to go ahead, kind of stick your tushy out just a little bit. Bring the weight down to your elbow or down to your sides and straighten out your arms. Again, keeping your elbows in place, not tucking them into your side, just leaving them out. Make sure you adjust the weight if you need to, if it's not hard enough for you or if it's too hard. You don't want to be straining with every single turn. You just want to be able to feel fatigue after 15 to 20 reps. That's how you will tone your muscles. So we've done triceps, we're going to move to chest, and we're going to actually come over here and do this, something like a bench press. I'm actually going to push just a little more weight on here. You can go ahead and grip whichever way is most comfortable for you, whether it's here or here. And you'll just go ahead and push. This is another good exercise instead of a bench press, because the bench press usually starts with a 40-pound bar. This way you can start with the lighter weight. You'll go ahead and do this until you reach muscle fatigue. Don't ever strain in weird ways. You want to make sure, again, your arms are straight out and push. Since we're over here, we're going to go ahead and do legs, since the machine's right here. If you've ever seen how weird these two things are together, your leg goes over the top and underneath the back part. Make sure you rest comfortably, and you'll just be straightening your legs. Usually for girls, actually for most people, you're stronger with your legs, so you usually need to adjust the weight to make this a higher thing. This is working your upper quads. So now I've done everything we've got in our legs, upper body. We still need to do our abs and obliques, so we're going to go over to this side one last time. We're going to start with our abs. We're going to leave our rope up top. Grab on. You can put your rope down to your ears, and you're going to use your ab muscles to bend down. And you're doing a reverse crunch. Think about making your nose actually touch the floor. Don't heave yourself quite so much. And again, go until muscle fatigue. And the last one we're going to do is our obliques. Those are the side ab muscles. For that, we're going to switch out the rope and just use the single handle. And you're going to do each side separately. You're going to grab a hold with this side, and you're actually going to use your ab muscles. Oops, we got to switch the weight. my abs are, or my obliques aren't quite as strong. You're gonna use your oblique muscles to pull down on each side. You will be using a little bit of your bicep muscles, but it's actually as you twist your oblique muscles that will be used. And you go to muscle fatigue. Once you've got muscle fatigue on one side, then you'll switch to the other. And after that, you will have a full body workout using your weight machine.